just arrived today. So although they gave me the M3 ones, those are used, these are new. I'm gonna go ahead and install these for now. These are the packs. So just laced them with the greaser, sprayed them all over. Alright, so now we're gonna begin assembly. So I've gone ahead and washed that, both of them. Alright, step one, get some grease, put some in here. And this is super duper tight, so I'm gonna have to give it a little persuasion. SRS, get an oversized socket, put it over, and it looks like you gotta fit it right to the edge there. Got the one bolt in, and I got the SRS. So I'm gonna drive them together because that's my temporary setup for the front. The back is getting the AVOs, but I want to figure out if AVO can manufacture something for the front because I would like to run matching suspension. So I'm going to use the E30 top hats with the E36 struts. Alright, so this is requiring a little modification. What I'm having to do is I've had to hollow these out, and I'll show you why in a few. And then the next thing I need to do is I just need this sleeve. Alright, so here's my bootleg workshop. I can get it. Stay tuned. And there you have it. So it's still hot, but I went ahead and I cut it in half, separated it. That's what it's like without the bushing, right? See? And then this is with the bushing. And that's what you need. Alright, so let's tighten this up real quick. We got the washers in and the nuts. This is just floating right now. So up next is when I'm going to bring the knuckle over. I'm going to go. Step one, get this lower bolt on. Alright, so today was a good day, a good long day, but a good day. So I got the suspension in, knuckles in, what else? Steering rack all cleaned up, it's a red tag. Alright, so that boot is still good. I don't see any tears in it. However, this one is ripped. So because I don't have that type of clamp right there, that one, that I'm gonna go ahead and use two of these here. So probably. Alright, they're in. Steering rack is in. So I got the primer coat on. So up next is the actual suspension paint. But I'm gonna bushing's in, sway bar link is in. Again, remember to make sure it's in the relaxed state. Don't tighten this with it jacked up. The other thing is I'm just waiting for that bushing there to come. Unfortunately, can't find it anywhere sooner than a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in for now and worry about it once it's at Pedro's.